Hello guys, today we're in Albury. We've got this 2010 Peugeot 207. The customer initially called us out for a DPF clean because he was driving down one of the high-speed dual carriageways locally, and he had a message on the dash come up: risk of particle filter block. We've actually come out today, tested all the pressure of the DPF, and it's actually looking okay. The pressure's not too bad. It was a bit of a difficult one with this because we were getting inconsistent readings. So what we'd done, we'd flushed compressed air through the pressure pipes to clear any partial blockages that could have been giving us the misreadings. Turns out the vehicle's actually reading okay now. The blockage, the little bit of blockage that was there seems to have disappeared. We will have to check again after the carbon clean, and also we're going to go for a test run on this one as well, just to also check that the pressure's not building back up. We'll also, after the test drive, we'll do another pressure check just to 100% confirm before we leave. Again, it wasn't anything too concerning really. It was getting to that sort of bad blockage area, if you like, but it wasn't too concerning. It's actually reading okay now. So for maintenance purposes, the customers decided to go with a 4-stage carbon clean. We've already done the stage 2, 3 and 4 processes. We're just on the hydrogen clean now, which we will we've only just started, so that's going to continue. We'll leave it on about 30 minutes or so, 35 minutes, and then we'll go for a little test run, hopefully down the motorway, a couple of junctions, just to help burn off any excess soot that was in the DPF, and also to help burn off, help get any carbon out of the system as well under higher speeds. So that's what we're doing today, guys. It's a 4-stage carbon clean, 2010 Peugeot 207. Right, guys, so we're back with the Peugeot 207. Just on a quick test run now. The DPF symbol, the message, sorry, kept popping up on the dash. It flagged up about twice, I believe. It's gone off since. That was about 10 minutes ago now, so it seems to have been remained off for now. We're just gonna go to the next junction, spin round, go back. We're gonna do a final pressure check before we go, just to make sure it's all 100% okay, and then we'll go from there. Right guys, just come off a test drive, just done another pressure check, and it's all reading perfect, nice and clear, so that's job done.